man, am I beat from spending so much time in Paris, France. But I still have a tough time sleeping. I need to rock a dormier so hard right now. It's been a few days and jet lag is still not, you know. So Quachi, what do you think I should do? Is there any kind of magical elixir I should be having, maybe?
Mommy says try melatonin.
What?
Go to bed early.
Do you have anything more fun than that?
Well, you shouldn't have alcohol.
Oh, that's a great idea. Thanks.
Dad.
All right, get back there. Quachi's got a good idea. I should have a beer. But we don't have a fridge here. But we do have beer here. Follow me. Let me show you something. Okay, it's actually this way. We're going to skip past Sophie in the washroom. Say hi, Sophie. But, yeah. See, she's doing so. But look what I have out on my little balcony. I have a makeshift natural fridge. So I've got some beer, some purple stuff. Oh, hey, look. Knock off Sunny Delight. All right. This is going to be fantastic. I think we'll go for the hoppy one. Let's see what we got here. IPA Citra Galactique. Okay. Galactic Citra IPA. Very exciting. Let's see how this goes. Alright, Quachi, I'm coming. I got Grandpa's old cough medicine here in hoppy West Coast form. At least I think it is. Let's see. Q, hold that.
Okay.
Let's see, is it European type IPA or? Ooh, it smells like the West Coast kind I like. Oh, I think I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Take a look at that team that's not in the playoffs. All right. I could really go for a brown paper bag right now. There we go. Thank you.
I was so worried about my family in the moment, he says, but I chose to be mayor over father. I robbed my sons of a mother. My life transformed that day. To avoid the
Gotta pace yourself, man.
Jakarta and other coastal cities are building a new 400-kilometer seawall. The $7 billion project more than double the height of the old one. At the Ricoh progress is mixed with grief.
Yeah, France can make a good IPA. Vive la France.